Škorpion has become perhaps the most innovative product in the Czech defense industry. For the first time, an ultra-compact automatic pistol was created and launched into mass production, occupying an intermediate position between a pistol and a submachine gun. Due to its size and the ability to carry hidden, Škorpion has gained popularity among special services and covert operations forces. It was designed as a light weapon. The small bullet is hardly a combat projectile, but as a last-ditch weapon for use by the crew of a stalled tank, it has some validity. The mechanism is a simple blowback bolt, and a change lever allows single shots or automatic fire. In either mode, it can be fired one-handed, or the wire stock can be folded to allow its use as a shoulder weapon. It is unpleasant to fire from the hip since the empty cases are ejected vertically and usually hit the firer in the face. The light bolt and weak recoil spring would lead to an unacceptably high rate of fire to themselves, and so a rate reducer is fitted into the pistol grip. As the bolt reaches the end of its rearward travel, it is held by a catch. During the rearward movement, the bolt trips a light plunger and drives it down inside the pistol grip against a spring. This light plunger passes through a heavy weight and passes some of its energy to the weight, causing it to begin to move down. The plunger reaches the bottom of the grip and its spring sends it back, where it meets the descending weight and passes through it. This acts as a retardant to the plunger. Eventually, the plunger reaches the top of the grip once more and releases the bolt catch, allowing it to go forward and fire the next round. This all sounds very time-consuming, but in fact cuts the rate down to 840 rounds per minute, so the travel on the plunger is all over in about 0.0012 of a second. It's in service in some Czech and Slovak units, Afghanistan, Angola, Egypt, Libya, Mozambique, and Uganda. In 1990s, whole range of variants has appeared such as the VZ61E 32 auto version with a plastic pistol grip, and in other calibers, 9x18mm Makarov, VZ65, 9x17mm, VZ64, 9mm Parabellum, VZ68. The most successful of these was a somewhat heavy and expanded version of the CZ Škorpion 9mm Parabellum, released in small numbers in 1999. The Škorpion was also license-built in Yugoslavia, designated M84, a civilian, semi-automatic version also available in 380 Auto. It features a synthetic pistol grip compared to the original version. In 2001, a group of enthusiasts from the city of Trenčín decided to start developing a new design of their own, giving it the name Logo LTG1. The name Logo comes from the abbreviated name of the city of Trenčín in Latin, Logoritio, and the abbreviation LTG1 from the first letters of the developers' names, Jan Lakanci, Peter Tvrdum, and František Asparic. The first presentation of the new weapon took place in May 2009 at the IDT 2009 exhibition. The fully developed software was completed in the second half of the same year, after which tests began testing the weapons for compliance with Western military standards. At this stage, the model received the official designation CZ Škorpion Evo 3A1. The abbreviation Evo 3 in the designation of the weapon indicates that it belongs to the third generation of submachine guns with the name Škorpion A1, that this is the first modification with the automatic firing mode, A. Self-loading version capable of carrying out only a single fire, designed for the civilian market, indicated by the letter S. Škorpion VZ61 were used by brothers Saeed and Cherif Kouachi in Charlie Hebdo's shooting in Paris, France, on January 7, 2015. 210,000 were made. Designed by Miroslav Rybar, whom also participated in the development of the VZ59 submachine gun.